Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add color widgets to your iPhone home screen.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
This is from a different app, not including in the list of widgets that come with your iPhone and iOS 14. And I will show you how to get this app and how to use it. First go to the App Store. The app is called Color Widgets. Look for the app, download it, and then open the app. Inside of this app, you should see all these different widgets with different font, color and style here. You can choose any of these. I am selecting this one. Tap on Set Widget. The widget is added. Now go to your home screen. Press and hold on the home page until you see a plus sign. You can use that plus sign to access the widget library. The widget you added from the app will be available here. Tap on it. Choose one of the three sizes available here. Then select Add Widget. The widget is added on your home screen. You can customize the widget if you want. For this, go to the Color Widget app. Select any of this widget. Then select Edit Widget. Here you can change the background color, theme, and also the font. Then tap on Set Widget. Now go to your home screen. And you can see, the customized widget is added on your home screen. So in this way, you can add color widgets to your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.